Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best blenders for smoothies in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Ninja BN401. Ultimate Power, 1100 peak quad motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Two versatile programs, two Auto IQ preset programs are uniquely timed for smoothies and crushed ice. Remove the guesswork with easy one-touch results. Nutrient extraction. Unlock hidden nutrition from whole fruits and veggies. Extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. By blending whole fruits and vegetables, including portions that are usually discarded. Frozen blending. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort like frozen drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, and more. Number 9. Frigidaire ESMM 100. Stylish design. This Frigidaire personal, single-serve blender is so stylish. The retro design adds a sleek finish to the streamlined design. It complements both modern and traditional kitchen decors. Compact. This powerful blender is equipped with a high-powered 300W/23,000 RPM motor, which will crush and pulverize ice, frozen fruits, and more. Controls. Chrome lever to start and stop the machine, multifunction dial. Quality. Heavy-duty stainless steel blades easily make creamy smoothies and milkshakes. Includes blender, mason jar glass, jar, plastic, lid, 2. Number 8. Ninja NJ601 AMZ. Powerful motor base, 1000 watts of professional performance power. XL blending capacity, the 72 ounces. Pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Total crushing technology, delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Professional versatility. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies. Recipe inspiration. Included 10 recipe guide provides drink making inspiration. Easy to clean, BPA free and dishwasher safe. Number 7. Zibinol Portable Blender. Powerful and effective, portable blender extraction cup is equipped with 4 PCS 304 stainless steel blades, 150W rated motor, and 7.4 rated voltage. With a high rotation frequency of about 20,000 times per minute, it takes only 40 seconds to bring you fresh smoothies, protein/shakes, freshly squeezed juices, masks, baby food, etc. Please cut the fruits/vegetables into small pieces for better blending results. Advanced tips for blending. Fully charge the smoothie blender after receiving it and charge it frequently after use. Before blending, make sure lid is tightened, not to add too many ingredients, do not exceed the maximum line, then add some water or other buffer to the blending cup. After the blades start spinning and blending, turn the blender over while shaking the mixing jar. Proper handling will prevent the blades from jamming and provide better blending results. Number 6. Ninja SS101. Personal blenders are specifically designed for blending up individual-sized smoothies. If you don't need a big capacity jar and don't care as much about having multiple speed settings, the Ninja Footy Power Nutri Duo is a fantastic option. Its short, compact motor base makes it easier to bring in and out of a cupboard or store on your counter. The pair of 24-ounce personal jars can create a velvety blend with smoothie ingredients like leafy greens and berries. Just like the Vitamix 5200, it can produce a nearly perfectly smooth blend very quickly. You can take your smoothie with you in the same jar since each one comes with a matching spout lid. While you're limited by its smaller capacity, it's versatile. The 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker jar has rotating arms that help a lot with thick mixtures, which is nice if you like making spoonable smoothie bowls with frozen fruits. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Professional. Blending up an early morning smoothie is less appealing if your blender is loud. You can't avoid the fact that blenders make some noise, but you might want to avoid the loudest models if you have roommates or family members who tend to be sleeping when you're blending. The best quieter blender for smoothies that we've tested is the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender. It uses a plastic dome to muffle noise when running, making it significantly quieter than most blenders we've tested. It's also very well built, very easy to clean by hand, and has an automatic program for smoothies as well as a wide range of speed settings. It has a much smaller capacity than the similarly priced Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 since its jar only holds 32 ounces. You can use the noise dome as a pitcher but not for blending, so it's not the best blender for serving a crowd. Number 4. Oster Blender. The Oster Pro 1200 is a good option if you're looking for a budget blender. This blender isn't very well built, especially compared to previous picks like the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. It has a smaller 48-ounce capacity, which might be a downside if you need to serve a crowd, but it also comes with a 24-ounce personal jar for single serves. If you use either jar for a smoothie with kale or pineapple, it won't match the practically perfectly smooth blend you get with the Vitamix 5200 or KitchenAid K150. Still, it doesn't leave a lot of unprocessed bits, and most will be happy with the results. The personal jar comes with a resealable to-go lid, meaning you can bring your drink with you on the go. It doesn't have a huge range of speed settings, but it includes a few automatic blending programs that are convenient to use for smoothie blending. Number 3. Ninja BL770 AMZ. If you're looking for something less expensive and don't care as much about versatility, you might prefer the Ninja Mega Kitchen System. This full-size blender comes with at least one 16-ounce personal jar, depending on what model you buy, as well as a 72-ounce main jar, so it's great for single serves and big batches of smoothies. Using one of the personal jars, it makes a remarkably smooth puree with fibrous ingredients, so your smoothie won't have leafy bits of kale or unprocessed fruit skin in it. The main jar's large capacity is ideal for serving a crowd and can produce very well blended smoothies with fruit and leafy greens. However, the previous, more expensive options make a smoother puree with bigger batches. There are to-go lids included for each of the personal jars, so you can take your smoothie with you on the go without pouring it into a travel cup. Number 2. KitchenAid K400. If you don't want to spend that much, the KitchenAid K400 is a cheaper option with a similar performance when blending the usual smoothie ingredients, like berries and leafy greens. It's not as well built and has a smaller 56-ounce capacity, but it's quick to blend a silky smoothie, whether you're working with a small batch or making multiple servings. Unlike the Vitamix 5200, it has a few blending programs for smoothies, so you can walk away from the blender and have it stop automatically when it's done. The speed dial gives you control over a wide range of speed settings when you're blending manually. It's very well built overall, but has a shorter 1-year warranty than the Vitamix. Its jar and lid are dishwasher safe, but they require a little more scrubbing when you're cleaning by hand, so it's not as easy to clean as the previous pick. Number 1. Vitamix. The Vitamix 5200 is the best blender for smoothies we've tested. This sturdy, premium blender might be overkill if you want a blender for simple smoothies, but if you're looking for a durable machine and the smoothest blends, it's a great option. It comes with a 64-ounce jar to accommodate big batches and easily makes an incredibly smooth puree with ingredients that some blenders struggle with, like leafy greens or fruit skin. It only comes with one jar, but it's fantastic for blending smaller batches when you want a smoothie for one. It's also extremely well built and has a long 7-year warranty, although it depends on where you buy it. TS controls are simple, consisting of a speed dial and a switch for pulsing. That's all you need for any recipe, but it means you stop the blender manually when it's done.